guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to get started with our P. Louise base in the shade 0. I believe it's 0 if I'm not mistaken. But I'm just going to take it and put it over each lid just to give us a smooth blank canvas to start and create. I'm so excited, guys. This palette is absolutely beautiful that I'm using today, and I cannot wait to show you. Alright, so we're taking our Maddie Ziegler palette, and we are using the color number 5, and it's this vibrant, beautiful baby blue shade. So I'm just going to pack that on my eyelid, and we are going to eventually blend it out. So just pack it on, baby. And what I like about this shadow is that I honestly didn't experience a lot of fallout, and that's always something to look forward to. A lot of shadows do tend to have fallout, but I personally love that Maddie partnered with Morphe because I almost own probably almost every Morphe palette, and I love Morphe. The colors are so pigmented, and I just love this palette, guys. Morphe, definitely you should sponsor me. I think I've said that before. So just blend, baby, blend right now. So I'm using a cotton swab to kind of wipe off the makeup because I'm going to wind up putting another color on the bottom, and I genuinely just wanted to do like a perfect two-toned eye using 2 of the bold shades in the palette. So I'm just taking my cotton swab and I'm going to clean up the area, make sure that it's nice and neat. And then we're going to take our P. Louise base and we're going to go back through and put it on because we want the color for the bottom half to be just as bright as the top half. And try your best to just smooth it out as much as you can. Definitely, definitely worth it. Alright, so the next color we're using is Like Butter. And Like Butter is a really cool name considering that the color is more of a vibrant green. So we're just gonna jam pack that on to the bottom. You want to pack as much as you can, but you want to make sure that everything looks very smooth and even. Alright, so I'm taking my Suva Beauty, and I am using Space Panda and the color Space Panda, which is the white, and we're going to just draw a line across. This might be the hardest part because you want to make sure that your line is even, so try to make your hand just not shake if possible, just to create that perfect wing. Alright, so now we're just going to go through on the other side and do the same exact thing that we did prior. Alright, so we're just packing that on there. Of course, we're adding Like Butter. And now we are focusing on the other eye. Like I said, pack a lot of color. You want it to be vibrant but nice and neat. So we're just going to take our Suva Beauty and Space Panda and just draw on that nice neat line. Give ourselves that perfect wing. This look was so easy and so much fun, you guys. Alright, we're going to use our e.l.f. All the Feels facial oil. I have to put this oil on before I do my foundation. It is perfect. It's not too heavy, and it's from their cannabis line. I love e.l.f. Cosmetics. Alright, I'm taking my Black Radiance color in caramel, and we're going to put that all over the face and make sure we are smoothing out everything. Alright, and I'm using my BH Cosmetics foundation brush. I love their brushes lately. Pretty much that's everything that I use is BH Cosmetic brushes. And we're just going to blend that foundation in as much as we can. If you guys haven't tried Black Radiance, oh my god. Their foundation is so amazing, and it's so, for me, it's like the perfect mixture. It's like not too heavy, but it's just right. Definitely give it a try. I think I got it at Walmart for about $6. Alright, so then we're going to take our LA Girl Pro Concealer, and we're just going to put it on our pivotal points that we want to highlight on our face. And I love this concealer. It goes on so amazing. I use mine under the eyebrow and also highlighting my areas on my face that I want to conceal. And we're going to take our blender and just blend that bad boy in. And all of my beauty blenders come from Shop Miss A. I love their makeup products, and I love, 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 love their beauty blender. You guys see how flawless that looks? I love that blender, guys. I'm sorry, I'm loving the Tiana Taylor album, and that's what I was listening to. Don't mind me, guys, I'm crazy. Alright, so I totally forgot to put it in the shot, but I am using Beauty Bakery's baking powder, and this is in the color Plantain. It is my absolute favorite baking powder that I found thus far. Definitely support Black-owned businesses and go and grab you one. Alright, I'm taking my NYX lip liner in the shade Plum. And if you ever see any of my lip looks, I'm always using this lip liner, guys. Probably every single time. We're just going to draw on as perfect as we can and get ready to put on our gloss. So I'm taking the new Maddie Ziegler gloss, and this is in the shade Peach Pucker, if I'm not mistaken. And honestly, this is probably one of the best glosses that I've personally worn in a while. It's not too sticky, but it's not too thin. It's actually just right. Okay, just taking my BH Cosmetics brush, and we are going to get all of the excess baking powder off. Alright, and lastly, I'm using the new Maddie Ziegler combo that comes with the lip gloss, and it's actually a mousse that you can use on your face and you can use it on your lips. Alright, here is the finished look, guys. It came out so beautiful. OMG, this look gave me so much confidence. Definitely go out and get this palette. You will not regret it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Cannot wait to see you on the next one. Bye. Relax, relax.